Okay, so today we're going to look at how we use the counting on strategy to solve math problems. So first we need to read our word problem. And our word problem says, I have 5 apples. My mom gave me 3 more apples. How many apples do I have now? So before we solve, we need to first understand what is the mathematical situation. So is it adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, or comparing? So I know I have 5 apples and my mom gave me 3 more apples. That means I'm adding 2. So I'm going to write my number equation or my number sentence. So I have 5 apples. And my mom gave me 3 more. So when she gives me more, that means the number is going to get bigger, and which means I'm going to add. So it's 5 plus 3, which is equal to unknown. And I always need to write my unit. So in this problem, my unit is apples, because that's what we're talking about, apples. Now I need to solve. So one way we can do is using the number line. So I know my mom gave me 5 apples. I need to add 3 more apples. 1, 2, 3. So if I move this 1, 2, 3, I now have 8 apples. And that's my answer. But if I don't have a number line, I could just make my own. So for example, take 5. That's my starting number. And I need to add 3. 1, 2, 3. So I could do 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's my solution or my sum, which is 8 apples. We're now going to try another one. So my next word problem reads, I have 14 berries. I got 4 more berries. How many berries do I have now? So again, we need to understand the situation. Is it adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, or comparing? And in this case, it is adding to. So I'm going to write down my number sentence or number equation. 14, and I need to add 4 more, which is equal to unknown, and my unit is berries. So I'm going to write down my unit. Now I'm just going to pretend that I don't have a number line, and I'm going to write down my number, the starting one, which is 14, and I now need to add 4 berries. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15, 16, 17, 18, and that means I have 18 berries. We're going to try one more word problem. So my next word problem reads, I have 25 cats. I got 6 more cats. How many cats do I have now? So I know that I need to first write down my number sentence or equation, which in this case is 25. I'm adding 2, and that is 6 more is equal to unknown, and my unit is cats. So I need to solve. So I've got 25. Now I need to add 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the counting on strategy. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And my sum or my solution is 31 cats. And that is the counting on strategy. You're counting on.